Best Luxury Large Car for 2025 to 2024 Audi A8. The luxury large car segment has always been a battleground for automotive excellence, and the 2024 Audi A8 emerges as the clear victor, claiming the title of Best Luxury Large Car for 2025. With its harmonious blend of advanced technology, refined comfort, and dynamic performance, the Audi A8 continues to be a symbol of sophistication and engineering prowess. Impressive performance and efficiency. The 2024 Audi A8 offers a range of powertrains designed to cater to different driving preferences. From the smooth and efficient V6 engine in the A855 TFSI to the powerful V8 in the A860 TFSI, Audi ensures that each variant delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency. For those seeking a greener alternative, Audi's plug-in hybrid option combines electric range with the power of a traditional engine, offering both eco-friendliness and performance. The A8's Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures superior handling, making it as agile as it is luxurious. Ultimate luxury and comfort. Step inside the 2024 Audi A8, and you're greeted by an environment of unparalleled luxury. The cabin is a showcase of Audi's attention to detail, with premium materials like Valcona leather, real wood inlays, and finely crafted metal accents. The spacious interior is designed for both driver and passenger comfort, with multi-way adjustable, heated, and ventilated seats. Rear passengers enjoy exceptional legroom and optional executive seating with a full suite of comfort features, making the A8 a preferred choice for those who value both driving and being driven. Advanced technology. Audi's commitment to innovation is evident in the 2024 A8, which comes equipped with the latest MMI touch response infotainment system. The dual touchscreen setup offers intuitive control over the car's functions, while features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system elevate the in-car experience. Advanced safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and 360-degree cameras, provide peace of mind on every journey. Conclusion. The 2024 Audi A8 stands as the epitome of luxury and innovation, earning its place as the best luxury large car for 2025. It's a vehicle that offers an unrivaled experience, combining comfort, performance, and cutting-edge technology in a way that only Audi can.